time of need, he's my best friend. Whoa, oh, 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 Tibumbe. Yeah. La di da di la di da di da, la di da di da di, la di da di la di da di da, la di da di da di. Who with them for? Where them a do ya? Who with them for? Them a warmonger. Who with them for? Where them a do ya? Who with them for? Them a sassara. True a ragamuffin, we no afraid of them any. Boy we no like, we no keep them friend. True a ragamuffin, we no afraid of them any. Girl we no love, we no chat to them. Come in at the dance, jokes and a cool boy. Come bout them, no know the rule. Come in at the dance, jokes and a cool boy. Come bout him, a act like a fool. Fire there, you must well tell you think a cool breeze sound. Boy you for second, boy you for east. La di da di la di da di da, la di da di da, la di da di la di da di da, la di da di da. Who with them for? Where them a do ya? Who with them for? Them a warmonger. Who with them for? Where them a do ya? Who with them for? Them a slaughterer. Shillily bum bum biddy diddy bum bum billy lily bum bum. La di da di la di da di da, la di da di da, la di da di la di da di da, la di da di da. We standing like Daniel in the lions den any. Boy we no like, we no keep them friend. Standing like Daniel in the lions den any. Girl we no love, we no chat to them. La di da di la di da di da, la di da di da, la di da di la di da di da, la di da di da. Who with them for? Where them a do ya? Who with them for? Them a warmonger. Who with them for? Where them a do ya? Who with them for? Them a slaughterer. Shillily bum bum biddy diddy bum bum billy lily bum bum. Yeah, Cool 97 FM. Keymix live. Easy one broadcast. Well, this is the day that the Lord has made. I'm gonna rejoice in it and be glad. Spirit of the living Jah, fall fresh in me. Boom. You don't want that fire, I'm telling you. You don't want that fire. I don't know about you, but I don't want that fire. I wanna sit up high with the Messiah. Hope you is worth better than Ashanti with the others. Can't say me never warn you, my brother. You don't want that fire, I'm telling you. You don't want that fire. Take a look at the world today. Many are falling, many gone astray. Pray to life to get your life on track. He's forgiving, he'll take you back. The time is now, nobody knows when he return, when the trumpet will blow. You don't want that brimstone and fire. This I wanna go hotter than lava. You don't want that fire, I'm telling you. You don't want that fire. I don't know about you, but I don't want that fire. I wanna sit up high with the Messiah. Hope there is work better than the Shanty with the others. Cause I may never warn you, my brother. Don't want that fire, I'm telling you. You don't want that fire. While you still got time, you better make it right. Soul at stake, you better fight for your life. Fall on your knees, ask for forgiveness. All the wrong you done. Change your ways, no need for revenge. Trusting in the Almighty, your only strength. When you're wrong, don't need to stress. Karma got a GPS. You don't want that fire, I'm telling you. You don't want that fire. I don't know about you, but I don't want that fire. I want to sit up high with the Messiah. Hope there is work better than the Shanty with the others. Can't say me never warn you, my sisters. Don't want that fire, I'm telling you. Don't want that fire. da toy, la da 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 toy, la da 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 la da 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 toy. Don't want that fire, I'm telling you. Don't want that fire. Da 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 toy, la da 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 toy. La da 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 la da 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 da. I don't know about you, but I don't want that fire. I want to sit up high with the Messiah. Hope there is work with conditioning with the others. Can never warn you, my brothers. You don't want that fire. I'm telling you. Don't want that fire. Cool 97 FM. Yeah. Global International.
To Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And we have FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Another sponsor of this segment is Keymix Audio. The mix is key. Thank you for your PA system and audio support for Live Tuesday. And now we have Carl in studio. We're going to have our little chit-chat with him. Good morning and welcome to Live Tuesday.
Good morning. Thanks for the invite.
Oh, yeah. Enjoyed your performance. Now,
Thanks.
How did you become, you're welcome, how did you become interested in music?
Well, I become interested in music from Enter the Tasty talent show.
What year?
Yeah, that was 1985.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
How did you fare in that competition?
Oh, I came second, which was
Who won?
big. A guy who blow a saxophone with his mouth.
Uh-huh.
And then after that, I finally say, you know what, he beat me with that. I got to try it. So I try it and I do it. But at the same time, after that Tasty talent show, it was King Yellowman who take me down to Gemini Club that night after the talent show. Because, you know, after the talent show every Thursday, you have Gemini, everybody go to Gemini. So he take me down there and say, give this youth the mic, if just mash up Tasty talent show. And I sing a song named If You Ever Change Your Mind About Leaving me Behind. And it tear the place up.
You did it reggae style, dancehall style, or you did the original R&B?
Dancehall style. You know, we do it already. And we do it in a dance and mash up the place and, you know, get a good response. And it's surprising to know the next week and a half, Yellowman put it in the I'm Getting Married. If you hear that part in I'm Getting Married. So it's exchange is no robbery. He big me up and let me get a big exposure that night. And, you know, so from there I take it and I say, yeah, I can pursue a musical career, you know.
Beautiful. All right. So that was clearly the turning point for you. But tell us about some other highlights along your musical journey.
Highlights is on the musical journey is like, you know, touring places like Japan. And, you know, you see the response that you get, and, you know, sometimes you're singing and they're in the vibes and you're putting the mic out there and they're singing your song. It just shows you, oh, you know, the music is a universal language and can stretch across. And, you know, kids coming up to me and telling me, man, I listen to your song and it let me, you know, start living different in life. Even one guy come and tell me, man, you saved my life. I said, what are you talking about? He said, you saved my life because a guy come and bring a CD to me and I was listening to a song named Big and Broad. And no worry yourself, you're big and broad. From a heart a beating on your chest. No matter the rest, you're extra large. From a heart a beating on your chest. And it's like many of us rate others over ourselves just because they have a possession and you're still a poor man. Just be nice. Maintain your cool and you will achieve the goal. Don't let vanity strike in your eyes. So he said, listen to those lyrics. Because I was getting ready to go a different direction and that really helped him. And why he said, I saved his life because many of them that he see, he was going towards gone jail, prison, die. So,
yeah, amazing. Yeah, the things that all that glitters is not necessarily gold.
Amen to that.
All right. So what role did the sound system play in your early development? So we heard of Yellow Man and the fact that he recognized your immense talent, took you to Gemini, and you had that big response from the crowd. But sound system, the family of sound system operators, how did they help you otherwise in your journey?
They helped me a lot because at early stage after those, and I say I'm going to pursue my musical career, I used to jump on the truck back from Kingston, go to St. Mary with Youth Man Promotion.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I know I'm going to get beaten when I go back home, but I said, no, I don't care about the beating, and I got to go. So
when you travel with those sound systems, what you're doing? You're helping with the equipment, you get a chance on the microphone, what?
yeah, I get a chance on the microphone because the only way to get there is go with them the pack in the box on top. That was my only means of transportation.
Okay.
So I run that risk. Even now I see all them Spern Gully and them thing that say, Meeks, what you was doing them time, they was a skate on the top of the truck going on the corners. But I went there and, sing on the mic and, that help, that real Youth Man Promotion, foundation.
What's your biggest recording to date?
Where them for?
Oh, yeah.
Where them for? Yes.
We were in here enjoying. Can I tell you?
Thanks.
Now, a resurgence of the old tunes, a lot of them from the early dance hall years. We're seeing them peaking in modern day music, and there's also a space where we're finding that some of the artists from yesteryear are coming and making sudden appearances in the music scene now. It's almost as though they have been rediscovered, and
Yes.
they're taking their place, whether in going to studio doing dub plates, whether they're singing, making feature appearances on other people's recordings, or they're flat out doing new recordings.
Yeah.
Where do you see yourself in that landscape?
Well, it's been a privilege for me to be on that landscape where I know that VP just released the best of Redman International. And it's 40 songs, rerun things,
Really?
the name rerun things. And I'm
Redman, we're
Yeah.
hearing this for the first
big
time.
up Redman. Yeah.
No more big ups for you, Redman, until we see our copy come across the cool. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, they just released the best of Redman.
Wow.
And fortunately, I'm the only one with 4 songs on the album.
Congrats.
Thank you. It got Johnny. It got Heard About My Love With Me and Daddy Lily. And you where them for.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Danger.
Nice.
Yeah, so as you say, that's a prime example to what you say earlier about the veteran artists, them revolving now, involving.
I like
so
it.
that's a good look for that digital thing with Redman coming out.
And primarily why I like it, because we have heard the sad tales of artists who, not having knowledge of their proprietary rights and their intellectual rights, literally just settled for little and nothing for creative works back then.
Yes.
Now they get a second chance to actually, as I say, eat our food,
Yeah.
make
so
some
they're
money.
more educated now.
Because
so
they're
take a
now
different step.
more educated, they can see what others can earn, and the mere fact that they're being recognized by an artist of modern
days.
who has an appreciation for the works they did then,
Yes.
will in fact enlist them, give them that second chance, and it's an opportunity that not many get, but it's an opportunity for you to do better and save for your old age.
Yes, exactly.
But
And
big
as
up
they
to
say,
all
new
the
songs.
big up to all the modern day artists
big
who are looking out and finding the artists of back in the day. And when we say back in the day, it could be like the 80s, 90s, who were riding the charts and
Especially
who had
when the
massive
digital era
tunes.
changed from the era changed from reggae music, could I say one drop or so. The digital era was a part of that digital era.
There you go.
Yeah.
But big up to all of you who
Big up.
have recognized their worth, and we see some massive tunes coming forward, like Sister Nancy. Oh my goodness!
Yes.
So thank you all. Now we're gonna go back to our. It's now time for us to take a few commercials. So thank you, Carl Meeks, our
Blessed.
first guest this morning on Cool 97 FM. First act to present his wonderful repertoire, and we're going to be going to commercials right now. I have a message that I need to read for you, and once I'm through with that, we have time signal and all of the other good things. Kickstart your renovation projects at Home and Things. Choose from the best tiles, bathroom fixtures, faucets, windows, doors, and lighting to make your space more functional and beautiful. Find everything you need within your budget at Home and Things. Old Hope Road and Constant Spring Road today. Jamaica Bills with Home and Things. The time by Home and Things, it is now 7:30 a.m. So there's a big event happening for Dental Technical High. Yes. All right, so here it is. The following is a public service announcement. Dental Technical High School class of 82 invites your support at a fundraiser in aid of their welfare projects. Get your tickets for Oliver Samuels's Teeth and Tongue this Tuesday, March 19 at the Little Theatre and support a worthy cause. Tickets are $3,000. For more information, call or WhatsApp 876-796-0197 or email dentilclassof1982@gmail.com. That was a public service announcement. So that's Oliver Samuels's Teeth and Tongue playing this evening, yes, at the Little Theatre, and it's to support a worthy cause as the Dental Technical High School class of 82 host you for this fundraiser in aid of their welfare projects. Remember, tickets $3,000. More information, call 796-0197 or email dentilclassof1982@gmail.com. Another message, and this one's from our friends at Electrolock. Okay, all right, here we go. It's excitement going on at Electrolock Hardware and Glass and Electrolock Exquisite Home Decor with their Easter Extravaganza sale happening March 25 to 30. Get discounts store-wide with special discounts on bedding and bathroom accessories. Visit them at 9 Harbour Street, St. Anne's Bay. Call 876-972-0223 or 876-972-2842. You can't afford to miss out on these deals. Electrolock Hardware and Glass and Electrolock Exquisite Home Decor. Quality products, superior service. And on Cool 97 FM, all right, let's see now. We also have to share with you Dunn's Purple Promise sale is coming up. 15 3/4 Red Hills Road, that's the superstore, happening on Friday, March 22 through to March 26. 50% off the entire store's stock. And the giveaways, you have a spin the wheel and a raffle for a chance to win a gift. Conditions apply. Dunn's, 15 years of being your building and finishes partner. All right. Okay, so where do we go now? Okay, so now we need to tell you who is our sponsor for this segment of Live Tuesday. Okay, so Live Tuesday continues in this segment, brought to you by our cool sponsor, Alkavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386.
Tuesdays are live on Cool. And guess what? Now you can tune in to the coolest spot for live music on demand. That's right. Watch your favorite Live Tuesday episodes on Cool 97 TV on YouTube any day of the week. Take a walk with the Abyssinians. Chant the revolution with Abidjan. Groove with Benji Myers and Lloyd Parks. Wake up with music of Boris Garden. And don't forget all the young treasures, Indie Allen, Yardcore, and more. That's all your favorite Live Tuesday shows at your fingertips. To watch, visit cool97fm.com and click the Cool 97 TV time. Watch, like, comment, and subscribe.
This is the essential flow.
Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. You've been sending in those requests. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite tunes on Cool 97 FM. Text In Tuesday is sponsored by
Blanco Paints, durable by nature.
Fontana Pharmacy. It's all good inside.
Home and Things Limited, brands you know, brands you can trust.
Let's do it.
the really good performance by Meeks, our first guest. And just to round out his presentation right now, we're going to go back to our stage. We're going to welcome him once again as he performs one more song for us. And then we're going to go to our second act of the day. At that time, it will be Avante and The Groovicians. And you're going to love them as well. Continue listening to Cool 97 FM as you make your way, whether to work or to school or you're at home. Yeah, enjoy the music on the nation's coolest Cool 97. And don't forget, you're listening to the #1 music show on Jamaican radio between 5 and 9 a.m. and the #1 show on Cool 97 FM across morning. All right, so here we go now. We're going to go back to our stage, and Mikey T, Yashika, Edson, they're all here. And when I say Edson, there's live streaming. So go to www.kool97fm.com and click on the Live Tuesday tile. You'll be able to view all that's happening here this morning.
We never fail, or we fail. As long as we have your love in our heart, we ship up the sail. We never fail, we shall prevail. As long as we have your love in our heart, we train can derail. With the abundance of my sin, just save a wretch like me. With his grace and his mercy, now I'm a walking testimony. To Jah be the glory, great things he have done. Many are called, but only if you choose to come. We never fail, oh if we fail. As long as we have Jah love in our heart, we tread can derail. We never fail, we shall prevail. As long as we have Jah love in our heart, we ship up the sail. Yes, His Majesty rule, deep in the heart of Babylon. Almighty ruler, over in a Zion. Yes, yes, it a go tread in a this year Armageddon. The race is not for the swift, but for the strong. Chip on Jane, we never fail, oh if we fail. As long as we have Jah love in our heart, we tread can derail. We never fail, we shall prevail. As long as we have Jah love in our heart, we ship up we sail. Put up, 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 la da da da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. With the abundance of my sin, just save a wretch like me. With His grace and His mercy, now I'm a walking testimony. To Jah be the glory, great things He have done. Many are called, but only if you choose to come. We never fail, or we fail. As long as we have Jah love in our heart, ship off the sail. We never fail, we shall prevail. All my listeners, Cool 97 FM, love or not? Yeah, Cool 97 FM, live.
Wishing him the very, very best. Talented artist. Now, you're inside of a segment of Live Tuesday that is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys, and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping. 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alkavida Alkaline drinking water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. And right now we just need to tell you that coming to our stage is going to be our second act for the morning. Yes, indeed. And Avante and The Groovicians take over now and entertain you until I get to my next cool flight pack at 3 minutes to the top of the hour.
Cool 97 Radio.
That I'm married to. No, every time she sighs, he cuts his eyes. She said, I wish I could turn back the time. She's in love with the stranger. She's in love with the stranger. Now her love is in danger. She's in love with the stranger. Loyal wife and everything. Wanna be protected by her king, and she would give her life, do anything just to. She's a loyal wife and everything. Wanna be protected by her king, and she would give her life, do anything just to get back with the stranger. She's in love with the stranger. Now her love is in danger, 'cause she's in love with the stranger. But every single morning I'm leaving, I'm dying inside. Tears might not show up on my face, but that don't mean I'm not crying inside. Just one kiss before you leave, and all day I have butterflies flying inside. I don't wanna leave you, and I wish you'd overstay. Every time that I leave, as I walk through the door, I can't wait to see. Every time that I leave to perform on a show, Every time that I leave, as I walk through the door, every time that I leave to perform on a show, girl, princess, I see you as a queen and a lady. And I know if no but no maybe. I just some simple things you're doing, I love where you amaze me. I swear your loving drive me crazy. And when you put it on me, you make me can't go to work. You're better than an artist or rock a concert. When you grab the mic and show me where you work. Every time that I leave, as I walk through the door, I can't wait to see you again, darling. Every time that I leave, as I walk through the door, every time that I leave to perform on a show, you make me really, really can't wait to come home. You make me really, really can't wait to come home. With a girl like you in a me house, it make my place a fun home. So me have to bring chaser and rum home. When liquor bust in a weird with no member go bed, you greet me at the door and run the thing red. Morning again and a time to go to work, me give you phone to call me boss and tell her to be dead. Every time that I leave, as I walk through the door, I
wait to see you again.
Every time that I leave to perform on a show, I
wait to see you again.
Every time that I leave, as I walk through the door, I
wait to see you again.
Every time that I go, that I go.
Success get to your head. Don't judge a man to him can't buy your bread, or if him don't live no way and can't buy your bed. Be your brother's keeper, regardless of him color and race. that doesn't mean you are less than anyone else. No, na 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 na.
FM. And reminding you that we are in fact inside of a sponsored segment of Live Tuesday. Now we give credit to the sponsors and say many thanks to ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Alkavida Alkaline drinking water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. This is Cool 97 FM, and we're going to invite our guest, Avante, representing Avante and The Groovicians, to join us in studio right now for a short bit of information so you get to know them a bit better. So, morning and welcome, Avante. Now, how was the Groovicians group formed?
Well, Groovicians was formed by, at first I had a band called the Creation Band, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But it never really worked out. And as an artist, what I'm trying to accomplish, I want to do it with serious people, you know, and good musicians. So I linked Alejandro and let him know that I want to start a new band called the Groovicians, you know.
All right.
And he put it together. I got some musicians, the ones who are here now, and we're basically riding the waves, you know.
What's the style?
Well, the style is, I am Avante, the artist. Avante is an acronym that represents a versatile and naturally talented entertainer.
Oh, okay.
So the style is to be as versatile as possible. However, it's profanity-free music, you know.
Good. All right. Now, the life of a performer can be taxing on the body. How do you take care of yourself as a performer, especially your vocals? Because we know that you have those who scream a lot. What steps do you take to protect that instrument?
I rehearse a lot and I do a lot of vocal warm-ups. I buy this thing called Fisherman's Friend.
Okay.
So it basically keep my voice cool. You know.
Okay, nice. All right. So, Avante, we're going to come right back to you, but we do have to pull our cool flight pack at this time. And following that presentation, we're going to come right back and finish this interview. All right?
Okay.
So stick around. segment on the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. And let's see, we're speaking with Avante and The Groovicians were performing for us. Then we took a few questions and then we went to a break. But let me remind you, sponsors of this segment of Live Tuesday, ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, home goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. And PA system and audio support, kindly provided by Keymix Audio. The mix is key. So, we were speaking with Avante. Avante, as we went to the break, we were looking at what your band's style is, and you were pretty much telling us that it covers as many genres as possible because you want to be known and stamp your names on history books as being that versatile. And being able to do many forms and be called for all events. Now, the life of a performer, we touched on that. And how do you preserve this precious instrument known as your voice? Fisherman's friend, You walk with it 24/7.
Not 24/7, but each time we have a performance, we go to the pharmacy and we try to get one.
It really, really works. Really, really works, eh? All right. So what projects are you working on right now, or have you just completed?
Well, I'm currently working on an EP with Wave Fusion Records. Big up Wave Fusion.
A local outfit?
Yes, a local producer. He's one of the best in the game right now. He has built some of the biggest beats that you hear, some of the dancehall artists on,
Really?
He built V6 on it tool. He built Alkaline, Boy Campbell, Cree, Valiant, Man I Live Like Rasta, So we're working on an EP. It's 7 tracks. And it will be released on August 16th. But we're doing a live band launch the day before, on the 15th.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we're working on now. Before all of that, I'm dropping one single entitled Roulette Box, about the American roulette box that is in the bars and everywhere. Yeah, I did a song about that. It is being submitted to, I think, 1 RPM now, so we can get a release date.
Whoa.
And then that's it until you get the EP.
Nice. Okay. Now, where can we catch you locally on stage? Where next?
Well, locally, every Thursday night, we have a gig at Patwa Restaurant. Basically, each week we do a brand new half-hour sets, maybe about 2 or 3 half-hour sets, but it's a brand new set each week,
Wow, that keeps you clocking, man. Keeps you on your
Yeah, it
game.
really keeps me and the musician up and rehearsing and putting things together, So it's a pleasure to really have such an opportunity.
That's a nice strategy. A really nice strategy. It keeps you fresh. It keeps you on your game, on your toes, and you know that you have to, the commitment that you have to come with something fresh each week. Yeah, that's a pretty nice
it really
strategy.
gives you a reason to plan ahead of time, because by Tuesdays is the rehearsals. After Thursday, we have to get everything together for the next Tuesday's rehearsal. So it really keep you up and running, And Anthony Q, is my cousin. He's working on some Caribbean shows for us.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, so he'll be going to Trinidad July, I think. So we're looking forward to that.
All right. Well, continue to do well. I mean, no, it's not going to be the last time we see you inside of Cool Studio.
Exactly.
Bless you. All right. So you're gonna go back out and join the Groovicians. You want to just mention who they are?
Yeah, big up Alejandro. G-sharp gits, Alejandro is the bassist, G-sharp guitarist. We have Jalen on keyboard, and we have Shamar, aka Shami drums and drums.
Okay, blessings.
Yeah.
All right, morning to all of you. All right, so as Avante goes back out to our stage, we're going to just recap and let you know who our sponsors are for this segment. So this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Stock your store with top quality, high fashion, shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. The nation's coolest Cool 97 FM. You never know where they'll pop up next.
Cool 97 Radio.
This year, the age of me, I beg you no feel rise. Walk for where you want and put your foolish pride aside. And when you're treading in a Babylon, no sleepers like all them, a wolf here where she close and them a pray for your demise. In this year, the age of me, I beg you no feel rise. Walk for where you want and put your foolish pride aside. And when you're treading in a Babylon, wait. Me I beg you, don't be a fool to the system. Take a risk or two. Have it work so you can earn success will not be given to you. And if you feel like things get tough, just call and joy. Love is true. There's nothing that a little bit of faith can do. Always be grateful. Giving thanks is key. If you open any door, we bring you out of poverty. Try not to be a victim of complacency. And just always be prepared to seize an opportunity. Cause in a me a beg you no fi rise. Walk for where you want and put your foolish pride aside. And when you're treading in a Babylon, no slippers like all them, a wolf here wear sheep clothes and them a pray for your demise. In a this year, the age of me a beg you no fi rise. Walk for where you want and put your foolish pride aside. Cause when you're treading in a no slippers like all them, a wolf here wear sheep clothes and them a pray for your demise. Can't plant corn and expect to reap peas, and you can't farm fool. In a times like these when every day I get you get brutalized by police. And if you live in the ghetto, them style they was thief. Message to the children, education are the key. If you open any door, we bring you out of poverty. Try not to be a victim of complacency. And just always be prepared to seize an opportunity. In a this year, the age of me, I beg you no feel rise. Walk for where you want and put your foolish pride aside. And when you're treading in a Babylon, you no slippers like all them, a wolf here wear sheep clothes and them a pray for your demise. In a this year, the age of me, I beg you no feel rise. Walk for where you want and put your foolish pride aside. And when you're treading in a Babylon, you no slippers like all them, a wolf here wear sheep clothes and them a pray for your demise. Wait, oh oh, oh oh, oh oh, oh, wait, the fittest can survive. Can't live, can't fly, they better open up your eyes, because we're living in a concrete jungle. We fall and stumble. Only the fittest and the fittest can survive. You better open up your eyes and realize, because we're living in a world where we see babies having babies, too much little ladies. Poverty does a beat we like a backer, like we still live in a slavery. Them system amaze me. No other time we open up we eyes and realize black people need each other to survive. Everyday times get harder, so we cry for help from the Father, because we're living in a concrete jungle. We fall and stumble. Only the fittest and the fittest can survive. Can't live, can't fly, they better open up your eyes, because we're living in a concrete jungle. Stumble. Only the fittest and the fittest can survive. You better open up your eyes and react. All I see is racism and schism in this place where we're living. Poor people alone become the victim. Why can't they build up manufacturers to provide jobs for a better living? Instead I see them building more prisons. Rise, no matter what they do or try, they just cannot keep us down. Rise up and keep us smile even when they want to see us frown. We need some changes in the system. The crabbing up a real thing just not working. Help a brother or a sister. Yeah. Let's come together and unite in this concrete jungle. We fall and stumble. Only the fittest and the fittest can survive. You better open up your eyes, because we're living in a concrete jungle. We fall and stumble. Only the fittest and the fittest can survive. You better open up your eyes and realize. Like the poor still poor while the richer get richer. Politicians them make out a road bitter. True we get a youths them can't find dinner. Hungry out to turn them in a serial killer cause. The rough in the ghetto. Politicians make things tough in the ghetto. Hungry and make people cuss in the ghetto. Even the fittest and the fittest still a say so. It's a world crisis. We're striving to survive, they make it hard to stay alive. World crisis, and every day another ghetto mother have to cry. In the ghetto, the rough in the ghetto. Politicians make things tough in the ghetto. Hungry and make people cuss in the ghetto. Even the fittest and the fittest still a say so. Every single day we a feel get up here. The political system a drive we insane. Politicians play with like a game. One bag of crap them use and full up with brain. When a black man try to make it out of the well, him see a black brother drag him straight back to hell. We need to take control. The crime rate rise like a price with the toll. World crisis, we striving to survive, they make it hard to stay alive. World crisis, and every day another get
ghetto, mother have to cry. Inna the ghetto, the rough inna the ghetto. Politicians make things tough inna the ghetto. Hungry and make people cuss inna the ghetto. Even the fittest and the fittest still a say so. Every single day we a feel ghetto pain. The political system a drive we insane. Politician play we like a game. One bag of crap them use and full up with brain. When a black man try to make it out of the well, him see a black brother drag him straight back to hell. We need to take control. The crime rate a rise like a price with the toll. World crisis, we striving to survive, they make it hard to stay alive. World crisis, and every day another ghetto mother happy cry. Inna the ghetto, the rough inna the ghetto. Politicians make things tough inna the ghetto. Hungry and make people cuss inna the ghetto. Even the fittest and the fittest still a say so. It's a world crisis, we striving to survive, they make it hard to stay alive. World crisis, and every day another ghetto mother happy cry. Inna the ghetto, the rough inna the ghetto. Politicians make things tough inna the ghetto. Hungry and make people cuss inna the ghetto. The fittest and the fittest still a say so. Way, yeah. The fittest and the fittest still a say so.
Cool 97 FM. Avante and The Groovicians making their appearance for yet another live Tuesday. Thank you for joining us. Yeah, great to have you over. And now let me remind you, sponsor of this segment, ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Stock your store with top quality, high fashion, shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping, 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. All right, so now we're going to welcome our third guest of the morning, Gawain Lynch, a Jamaican vocalist and pianist, student of the Edna Manley College. All right, so, and he's joined by a few of his friends this morning on the nation's coolest, Cool 97. So, Gawain, greetings and welcome. Tell me something. What led you to music of all things, and is it your 9-to-5 profession?
First of all, good morning.
Good morning.
Indeed, indeed. Music is a beautiful expression, you know. It's one of the oldest form of expression, because when you trace back into history from even slavery days, that's what the slaves, you know, used to kind of free themselves from all that they were going through. So I believe it's my way of escape, you know. Whenever I have challenges and stuff, music is really what get me through it. So I really love it.
So how long have you been pursuing music professionally?
I would say from 2010.
2010?
Because that was the first time I had my encounter at the Edna Manley College. I was a part of a quartet then, you know, and we were given a physical copy of, you know, online, physical copy of application to apply to the school. So from that time, I told myself I would eventually pursue music. So I would consider myself pursuing the music from that time.
You enjoyed that experience at Edna? Because apparently they put you through a rigorous course of study.
Absolutely.
You did? All right, fancy. All right, so now, as both a vocalist and pianist of all things, you played well, the piano?
Well, I'm still learning.
Oh, okay, all right. So as both
learning.
As both a vocalist and a pianist, how do you balance the development of your skills in each area?
Well, because of the love that I have for the music, when the challenges come, it doesn't feel as if there's no reward that I will gain in the end. So, because of that.
Why the piano? Of all the musical instruments, why the piano?
Well, I am a vocalist, and I was told from earlier on that as a vocalist, you should be able to play an instrument. So I use my
Drums.
vocal skills
Okay.
to be able to play the piano. So that's where it starts for me.
Okay. Plans of learning any other instruments along the way?
Most definitely.
Okay.
Well, I'm a music education student. So most definitely I have to learn other instruments. So currently I'm learning the lead guitar.
Now, how do you structure, this is not my question, this now is from Yoshika. How do you structure your time between piano, vocals, and your studies?
Well, I have a timetable that I created differently from the general timetable given. And I try to stick with that timetable. So I can have practice time for each instrument.
Oh. What year are you at?
Okay, I'm a second year music education student.
Ah, okay. And how long is that course of study?
It's a 4-year program.
Whoa, 4 years. Now, what can we expect from you next? Is it that your course of study requires you to put on a performance? Is it that you have a regular gig at, whether it is a restaurant? Where can we find you?
Okay, so...
Do you play in church regularly?
Yes, I do sing, well, mostly singing in the church. And I go different places from time to time.
Oh, okay. But we will note the name, though. Gawain Lynch.
That's correct.
You're joined this morning by teammates?
Yes, I'm joined by other students at the Edamali College.
Cool.
So Joe Daniel plays the piano as well. So we have Lee J, he's on percussion today. And we have Josh to join bass guitar. So
nice. Welcome to all of them.
Indeed.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to release you so that you and your team can get ready because you're going to be performing on the other side of the half an hour. I have commercials to pull right now, and I'm going to get into them so that, bam, as we're done with those, we come straight to you. All right? Thanks for being our guest this morning on Cool.
Appreciate it.
All
Thank
right.
you very much.
And